Hi, I'm Ticky. Today we are going to quickly understand two simple data structures, stack and queue. The only difference is which item comes out first. Now let's jump to the animation, and this time I'll explain it even more clearly so it's easier to understand. Alright, on the left side we have the stack. Think of it like a pile of plates. The rule is whatever arrives later sits on top of everything else. Here the task distributor takes tasks from the task store and places them on top of the stack. So the earlier boxes stay lower and the newer one gets stacked above them. For example, look at the pink box. It was added last, so it's now sitting at the very top. Now the task holder comes in. When it needs to take a task, it doesn't dig from the bottom. It always takes from the top. So the first things to leave is the most recent one, the pink box. That's why a stack is LIFO, last in, first out. Alright, now let's look at the code. Don't worry, I'll keep it super simple. In a stack, there are two main actions. Push means you put an item on the stack. Pop means you take the top item of the stack. Here we have three push calls. 1, then 2, then 3. Get stacked on top of each other. Then we have two pop calls. Since we always remove from the top, 3 comes out first, then 2. That's why a stack is LIFO, last in, first out. Alright, on the right side we have a queue, basically a line. A queue works like a line at the bakery. Whoever arrives first gets served first. That's FIFO. The boxes enter one by one from the side and go to the back of the line behind the others. So every new box joins the end and the older boxes stay closer to the front. This purple box comes in first, so it's at the very front right now. When it's time to take a box out, we don't grab from the back. We always take from the front of the queue. So the first box you see leaving is the purple one. Alright, now let's look at the queue code. Don't worry, I'll keep it super simple. In a queue, there are two main actions. NQ means you add an item to the back of the line. DQ means you remove an item from front of the line. Here we have three NQ calls. 1, then 2, then 3, join the queue in that order. Then we have two DQ calls. Since we always remove from the front, 1 comes out first, then 2. That's why a queue is FIFO, first in, first out. I'm really glad you were here. See you in the next video. Bye!